manual dependency injection works fine, but as the app scales, so as things get more complex in our application, it can be very difficult to manage dependencies, right? That's why we are going to use Hilt. Hilt is a library that allows us to leverage and manage this dependency in Android, and it's the one that is recommended to use. The great thing about Hilt, which is a dependency injection tool, it allows us to have reusable code, because now we have classes or objects that are decoupled. They're not tightly coupled. Objects are tightly coupled. That means that they violate the single responsibility principle, right? Which says that each class needs to have a single responsibility. If you couple with other objects, then that means it no longer has that simple responsibility. Okay? And also it's easy to refactor our code once we have decoupled our dependencies. As such, it's also easy to test. Everything is compartmentalized. Our code is compartmentalized. Objects, classes are all compartmentalized separately. They're not tightly coupled. That is the benefit of dependency injection. Again, remember, you can do all of this manually, but of course at a huge cost. Hilt is the recommended way of doing dependency injection in Android. Hilt also leverage actually another library called Dagger, but we're not going to go into too much details. So just know that Hilt is the recommended way used for dependency injection. To set up Hilt, this dependency injection in our project, it takes a little bit of work, right? But nothing that we can't handle. So the amount of setting up that we need to do, it doesn't compare to the advantages we get from Hilt. So keep that in mind, and I'm going to go through the process of setting up our project so that we can start using Hilt, which is this dependency injection manager per se. All right, let's go ahead and get started.